Welcome to week 12. This week, we're just going to start on web management. We're going to scale our web page and allow more people to either contribute, to simply view by invitation, to edit some of the content, or actually to administer the content. So you can really scale what you can do with your web page. And really, let's get right to it. What you do is you go to your WordPress.com and your web management, and on the left-hand column, you'll see within configure, there's people. So when you click on people, you see who has been invited or who's part of your website at this point. I've only got one person. You most likely only have one person. You can see who your followers are. I'd appreciate if somebody would follow me. And you can actually email your follower, and you can manage your invitations. So the way you invite somebody to be an author on your blog is you either click on the add button here, or you click on invite here. And then you can simply type in the person's username, or if you know their email, you can type in their email. You can choose their role. As I said, in this activity, we want to be author. Notice the one I chose, of course, I'm already there, so we can choose somebody else. I believe I have one under that name. And then you can add a custom message. And once you click send that invitation, this is what the person gets. Basically, hey, this person, Randy's invited you to be part of his blog. And when they accept the invitation, it knows it's coming from that email or that username, and they will grant that person to be an author on your blog. Okay. So then what you should be able to do is go back to your web page and view your site. And once that person accepts, they will be listed as an author on your page. And if they post, you will get extra credit, they'll get extra credit, and you'll do the same for them and post on their page. And what I would do is once you've posted on the other person's page, I would go there and like that post, and then it'll fall in your widget posts I like. If you want to check out everybody's blogs, I believe I followed everybody's blog on my blog, so you can see, find somebody who maybe has something in common with you, and maybe you'll develop a friendship that'll last for life here. The one thing you have to know is how do you pair up? I've placed a link in the learning module to the course Q&A, the question and answer discussion post that we've used all semester. And simply, if you're out there first, like I am, just post that you're looking for another author. And the first person that replies to you, you now pair up, exchange usernames. You can do that within the actual discussion post, and you can go from there. As a last resort, if you're the odd man out and you still need somebody to be an author on your page, go ahead and invite me. I may or may not post this first person that replies to me. I'll definitely post on their page and allow them to do the same with me. All right. I've also placed a link in the learning module on the page within WordPress that defines user roles. So take some time to read through that and understand, why I would want to give a person one set of permissions over another. And that is all that's required for this week's activity. But what I have done, looking ahead that the Thanksgiving weekend is quickly going to be upon us, I went ahead and put out the week 13 learning module, and the assignment link is available. So if you want to be ahead of the game and free up your week for Thanksgiving dinner and travel and whatever you need, you can do this ahead of time, even though the week 13 assignment still is not due until the weekend after Thanksgiving. Enjoy.